In this video, I'll be showing you how to hard reset your Samsung Galaxy Buds 4 Pro. So the first step of the hard reset is to simply ensure that the buds have been successfully disconnected and unpaired from the current device it's connected to. Once you've done all of that, you can then go ahead and start resetting the buds. To do so, ensure that the buds are inside the case. Then you want to long press on the button at the back of the case until you see the indicator light blinking blue, green, and red. Once it blinks like that, it means that the reset process is complete. So you will be pressing that button for around 5 to 7 seconds, which is completely okay. So again, buds inside the case, lid open, long press on the button until the light starts blinking. Once it starts blinking like that, it means that you have successfully completed the hard reset. So you can now just close the case like so, and then wait a couple of moments and try reconnecting your buds to another device once you've finished that reset. Thanks for watching. If you have questions or comments, leave them down below, and I'll see you in the next video.